AttributeError, tuple object has no attribute is underscore enabled. Selenium, 3.141.0, language, Python 3. I am getting the following error while accessing the below explicit wait method. Expected results. Return true after element exited from DOM. Actual results. AttributeError, tuple object has no attribute is underscore enabled. Could someone help me? What have I done wrong?
You are passing in a tuple to a method that expects an element from the expected underscore conditions.staleness underscore of documentation. Class selenium.webdriver.support.expected underscore conditions.staleness underscore of element wait until an element is no longer attached to the DOM. Element is the element to wait for. This differs from some of the other expected underscore conditions convenience methods, which take a locator argument. This particular method can't take a locator, because a locator can only ever find elements that are still attached to the DOM. Locate the element first before it has been detached.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.